Hey, Miss Senorita, this is the one I was just talking to you about. I know I got all my coworkers gonna be told the same thing. It'll be available for everybody. So it is a blade key, like just like the same thing with the other kind, but does have remote start. The 6.7 diesel. Get your fog lamps, chrome package, tow hooks, camera underneath the forward symbol, camera in the windshield, camera on each mirrors. The fifth wheel, look at the bin. It does have a fifth wheel prep in it, along with the spray and bed liner. Has your electrical outlet for it. And of course, rear camera. Heavy duty tow hitch, rear sensing. This one came out of Monroe. 6 3/4 bed, 4x4. Nice looking wheels. Of course, the hub's already on this one. Brand new. Of course, it is diesel. Keyless entry. I'm gonna get on the inside in a second. Clear markers. It's not orange. I like those. Everybody does. How about that? Have it parked up front. As I said, the person walked away from it. Don't know if he's gonna have second thoughts and realize he passed him a good deal, because we brought this one down from Monroe. Chrome bumpers, blinking lights on the side mirrors. It also has blind spot monitoring. So mirrors will light up, cameras inside the taillights. Get the burning wire set up for reversing. This is the fifth wheel hardware, rear vents, rear charging, fast charging, normal, and a USB. The middle console, more storage. Third glass with defroster, and I'm assuming, I'm not joking, I'm not making fun of my coworker, but he actually had a tag ready to go on the back side, which I'll remove it. Put you a new one if you decide to come this one. Oh, I also had a preface. This collapses too. You get your tie downs, storage container. You can get this collapse as well. Make it a flat surface if you like. No, tell me the registration is coming out. That's not his truck anymore. Window sticker. So 160 wheelbase. I know you need a 176. So it's got FORDPASS. You can turn on and turn off your truck. Remote start the vehicle from your phone app. 331 rear end, gooseneck, chrome package, XLT appearance, navigation. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Black glass defroster, heavy capacity trailer tow. So this one actually had the heavy suspension on the front. Spray and bed liner. Let me know. Go with sorry about that. Get it to the driver's side. So all the function will not work until my keys are in. So I'm gonna put the key in. Keyless entry with a 5-digit code. Power seating. It's a shrimp. Adjustable pedals. Everybody's built differently. Adjust them up. Adjust them in. Automatic headlights, lamp lights. This is the cool things I was talking about. Put this key in here. Then it's starting it up. We drew a mile from Monroe, so it's 280. Power folding mirrors, all press of a button. And you can power adjust them out, adjust them back in, up, down windows, power seating. You took care of it, dieseled it up for you. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, I'm sorry. 4 cup holders. If you decide on 4 cup holders. Compartment if your battery on the remote control goes dead. Down on the bottom. Your fast charging down below. Heated front seats. Trailer brake. Back assist. Brake controller. 4-wheel drive controller. Your large screen. Protected with the built-in NAV, which is nice. FORDPASS, Apple CarPlay, it's a camera that's looking straight ahead in front of the bumper, all the way around, of course. I can choose just the front only, which is a car to the left of me. Blind spot, pull it in on completely. I can see the back half of that truck over there, which is that's the 5th wheel looking in the bed, which is that service truck behind us. And of course, if I got the camera this way, here's your 3rd glass. That's if you want to add a camera, which is one that you can put behind RV. Reverse camera. Look straight down at the receiver. Exhaust braking, very popular. Trash control, hill distance, lane keeping, and your camera. You got different drive modes. Put this in drive. Press of a button, you can change drive modes. Of course, 2 sets of keys with your door code. Alright, well, let me know. Cruise control, Bluetooth. There's a nice one, upper switches. You decide to add some more hardwares. Some ladies need to know if they got a mirror with the light in it. No lights, but definitely have mirrors. I don't know why y'all look at it. It's so funny. Get your little sunglass holders. Alright, let me know. This is cool, because like I said, with a touch of a button and fold in my mirrors, ain't nobody out there doing it. Or pull them outwards. All touch of a button. Alright, let me know. And lamp lights is pretty cool if the lights were on. Headlights. These little guys have some lamp lights you can't really see them during the day. And they shoot the sides. Alright, well, let me know. Again, she's ready to roll. There's 0 miles again.